This video is just for education purpose.
Hey traders, welcome back to this new video. Today in this video I am going to reveal my strategy, how I trade and how I managed to get 3 consecutive payouts from Blue Guardian that I showed previously. Each and every payouts withdrawal process I documented everything in my previous video. If you did not watch yet, you can check this channel's previous videos. And also I am going to announce giveaway winners that I hosted in my one of video. Here is the video. Here I announced 3x 5k funded challenge giveaway from Blue Guardian. When I got the partner badge and blue tick from Blue Guardian, this was the giveaway, and this is the video link which I announced here. So today I am going to draw and select 3 winners. Each winner will get 5k funded challenge from Blue Guardian. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to subscribe this channel, like this video, so you will never miss any further giveaways. It's your benefit, so please like this video and subscribe this channel. Let's back to the main point, which is my strategy, how I trade and what is my approach, what is my strategy. So at first, when I open my trading view, my first task is to mark the previous day high and previous day low. Here you can see. Then I go to the lower time frame. I check 4 hours bias and then 1 hour structure. Where is the market and where is going? Then mark some key points, something like 1 hour order block. If you don't know what is order block, you may search on YouTube and there's a huge video on order block, which is works well for liquidity sweep and big order executions. And here is another order block, which is 1 hour order block. And let's remove this. Then go to 15 minutes and also I use a 200 EMA. You can see this is the 200 EMA, and when the market is under the 200 EMA in 1 hour and 15 minutes as well, then my market bias is bearish. If the 1 hour and 15 minutes is above the 200 EMA, then my market bias is bullish. So in this case, the market bias is bearish because here you can see in 1 hour market under the 200 EMA and 15 minutes as well. So what we have now, we have previous day high, previous day low, and 1 hour order block at the top and another 1 hour order block at the bottom. And here you can see also there is another indicator which is RSI. I use RSI for advanced confluence. This is not for this strategy actually. I will explain it in another video. So let's discuss this strategy. This strategy is based on pure price action, nothing else. So the market is bearish. We got our bias is bearish. So we have to looking for sell only. It's clear, right? Now for the entry, what we have to do? We have to find the area where market is consolidated. You can see here is a very big consolidation in the yellow box, the consolidation area. So as market is bearish and we got a consolidation area, if the market is bearish, we have to wait for a breakout of this consolidation and take upper side liquidity, which is took here, you can see, and then it comes again in the zone with a 15-minute candle and engulf previous 15-minute candle with a big bearish movement. So this is our confirmation. We marked the 1 hour order block, got a consolidation before this. After the consolidation, it takes upper side liquidity, still the market under 200 EMA and a big bearish engulfing candle in 15 minutes. After that, we will enter for short here. Our SL will be just above the 15-minute candle and our target will be 50% of the bottom order blocks. Here is the 50%, and here you can see we are getting 2.5 RR. So how I mark the 50% of a order block? If you take this rectangle tool and place it, click right mouse here, go to the setting, you just have to check this middle line and okay, here you can see the middle line. This is the 50% area of this box. So when I mark the full order block, I got the 50% here. You can see after a certain bearish movement, market bounced exactly from the 50% of bottom order blocks. Here you can see we got our target 1, 2 within 3 candles. That means 45 minutes. How many pips? It's 350 pips almost. So this is one of my top strategies. I trade on 2 or 3 strategies. I have another 2 strategies which is works well as well. I will explain those strategies in my later videos. From them, one strategy on Fibonacci, another is RSI. So it's simple. I use simple price action, no any complicated ICT or SMC. Here you can see the result. Using this strategy, I am able to manage 3 consecutive payouts from Blue Guardian in last 3 months. Still I am mastering on it. It's giving me very good results. And there have more confluence on previous day high and previous day low. I will discuss more in my another video. So let's wrap up the strategy. What we did, at first we marked our previous day high and previous day low in 1 day time frame. After that we check 4 hour, where is the market and where is going. Then go to the 1 hour and mark a 1 hour order block. What is the order block? In short language, the order block is a zone where maximum order is executed or pendings, and people are more interested to place their trades in a certain zone. And how we can mark our order block? In every order block you will get a consolidation and a opposite candle of the direction. That means our bias was bearish. Here you can see a opposite bullish candle, so we can consider it a order block candle. Then we mark the order block. After that we mark the consolidation area. Then we came 15 minutes, wait for the liquidity sweep of this consolidation area. Then we got a liquidity sweep in 15 minutes and a big bearish candle with engulf previous 15-minute candle. Then all the confluence is done here. Then we enter here. After this 15 minutes engulfing bearish candle, we have to put our SL just above the 15-minute candle and target 1:2. Or if there have any order block at the bottom, we have to mark the 50% of the order block and we have to target till the 50% of the next order block. Here you can see the result. And exactly I took this trade. So that's it. This is my fast and simple strategy that I use mostly. And by this strategy, you will get 1 trade or 2 trade in a day. So this is more than enough. If you have any question on this strategy, please leave a comment. I will reply. And now let's draw the giveaway. By the way, please follow this X handle which is AlgoFX Pro. Here you can see. I will bring more big giveaways in coming days. So follow me on X, join my Telegram channel. Let's draw the giveaway. Here you can see many people already joined this giveaway. 59 people commented and there was 3 clues in this video. The criteria was you have to figure out 3 clues, collect them all and write it down in the comment section. Also like the video, subscribe the channel and register with the Blue Guardian using my link from the video description. So let's check what was those clues. Those clues was the best instant funding prop firm 2026, prop firm payout secrets, Blue Guardian prop firm payout proof. So those 3 was my clues. Many people figure it out. So I am considering if you comment with at least 2 clues correctly, I will select you. Less than 2, I will never select you. Let's copy the video URL. Then go to the YouTube comment picker. Paste the URL here. And you can see 49 comments here. We will pick 3 winners one by one. So winners number 1. Let's pick first one. You can see we got our first winner. Copy the username. Congratulations. Pick another. He or she told no clues. Sorry bro. He did not place any clues. He also did not pick any clues. Here you can see we got our another winner. And let's pick another. Here you can see we got our another winner. So finally we got our 3 winners. Congratulations all. I will replay your comment on the YouTube and please knock me on Telegram for further process. How you will claim your account from Blue Guardian, I will assist you. And another big giveaway is running. I would like to request you all to participate in this, which is 3x 15k from God Funded Trader, which will be a God challenge. So many people already joined it. Here you can see you will find this giveaway post on AlgoFX Pro and also NDT Forex. Here you can see. So go and join. I will draw this giveaway in this week as well. So hurry up. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.